So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Notch Free campaign we go about and how we can lock WhatsApp, and this can be pretty helpful when you hand over WhatsApp to some third person and you really don't want them to be checking your WhatsApp. Now without using any third-party apps like AppLock, let's look at how this can be done natively. Head towards your WhatsApp settings. Inside here, head towards the account, inside privacy. You'll see right at the bottom there's this option of fingerprint locked. So you can lock your WhatsApp using your fingerprints, but first it needs to be set up on your phone, and that's what is written here. So let's go ahead and do that. This is an Android. The way we do that is by heading towards settings. We scroll down until we see biometric and security, and there we can add a fingerprint. So we go ahead and add a fingerprint. Before that, we are prompted for a screen pattern, one which we may have set earlier. And now let's continue. So depending on the phone that you have, the sensor may be at a different point. For me, it happens to be the power switch. So I need to simply put my thing here and I need to do this, repeat this several times until like it's captured. So we'll just pause it until this happens. So I'm just touching my finger over this power button, as you can see, and it's like, and there you go. So the fingerprint has been added, and let me just click on done, and you can see it's fingerprint 1. I don't want to add more fingerprints, and I have already turned on fingerprint unlock. It need not be always on. Once you have a fingerprint set on the device, what you can now do is head towards the same WhatsApp, and now let me kind of show it from right from scratch. So here you have the WhatsApp app opened. Head towards the settings, tap on account. Here go to privacy, scroll down until you see fingerprint lock. It's disabled as of now. I need to enable this, and it says touch the fingerprint sensor so that it can recognize. So I do that, and there you go. It's now confirmed. Now you can see a certain few options here. So it says automatically lock immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. I want it to be locked immediately once I don't use it. And then like once I open it, I want it to be kind of, using my fingerprint lock. So let's see how this works. Now say I want to open up WhatsApp. You can see it's locked. So suppose I give it to someone, this is how it will come. Until they use the sensor, so if I don't use my sensor, it will not work. So then I can start using WhatsApp. So I will just show it to you again how it works. So I want to use WhatsApp. I give it to my aunt. She can't use it. Gives it back to me. I cover my fingerprint sensor. So I just do it like this, and there you go. So hopefully this tutorial really helps, because I think this is a very important thing which many people don't know. And if case you think it's valuable, please go ahead and subscribe and do click on the bell icon for notifications. Please do share this with your friends. It would mean the world to us if our channel content is found valuable for you people. Thank you so much.